Time to tackle the Lowe family's kitchen reno.
Scott?
The reno's done?
We posted it on Bidmii and got multiple quotes from trusted contractors.
It was easy.
Bidmii is an open marketplace platform where homeowners can post a project, anything from as small as changing a door handle on their front door, all the way up to renovating a kitchen or building an extension off the back of their house.
My place is being freshly painted. I didn't have the time, and I had never met my contractor before today. I booked it on Bidmii. I quickly created a project, took a few pictures, and found what I was looking for. Trusted contractors who are available now at a reasonable price.
Homeowners get multiple bids from multiple contractors, and when they choose the contractor they want to go with, we hold their money in trust until the project is done, at which point it's released to the contractor.
My name is Harold. I'm a contractor for Bidmii, and I don't pay for leads. Bidmii has increased my scope of work and my customer base. I've been really busy till this point, and I'm really happy with it.
I've tried other systems where I had to pay for leads, but it didn't really work out because once you start paying for these $50 leads and you're not landing jobs, it kind of gets a little bit more discouraging. Versus Bidmii, where I see all the jobs that I want, the jobs that I'm more interested in, and I could bid on them, and then the customers come back to me versus me trying to get to them.
Once the job is done, both homeowners and contractors can leave reviews for each other.
Ratings and reviews are the most important thing on our platform. Because Bidmii handles the money on every single job, a contractor cannot get a rating and review unless they complete a job on our platform. What this does is it really minimizes the impact of fake reviews. So homeowners trust a Bidmii rating and review more than any other rating and review.
Oh, it's Bidmii. I got another one. I get notifications by email and by text message when there's new projects. The way Bidmii pays is, it's awesome. I send a picture, the customer approves that it's been done as well, and then within a couple of days I get a payment. Sometimes it's the same day.
The painter I hired had some extra time on his hands, so I had him paint the kitchen as well. This leaves me with extra time for family, friends, and a little self-care at home. Your Bidmii experience is so effortless. The only thing to worry about is what you want to get done next.